Hey guys, and welcome to the Marketer's Guide to SQL Queries. In this lecture, we are going to go through and teach you all about SQL. As you know, SQL is a powerful language that you can use to pull any bit of data, any information you want from your company's database. This is extremely useful when making data-driven marketing decisions, seeing how campaigns have performed, and really digging into your analytics. Now, before we get started, I'd ask you to follow along at the test SQL database we're going to be using from W3 Schools. I included a link to it here. There will be a link in the worksheet. But go ahead and check out the test database we're going to be using, which you can see right here. Now, first of all, what is a database? A database is a collection of tables, and you can think of a table kind of like an Excel spreadsheet. So for example, if you have a massive Excel spreadsheet with multiple worksheets, each one of those worksheets would be like a table. The database would be the entire Excel document. In our example database, the one from W3 Schools, you can see that it has 8 different tables, each with their own name. You can imagine a massive Excel document that includes spreadsheets with the names of your customers, categories of your products, employees, order details, orders, products, suppliers, and shippers. Now, the way to access and pull data out of these tables, again, which you can think of as spreadsheets, are via SQL queries. Now, the most basic SQL command, and it's present in every single SQL statement you're going to be writing in this course, is the select command. This command tells the database what information you want it to return. For example, this is telling SQL, show me everything. The little asterisk after select means select all. So this is saying, show me everything from the products table. Now, if we go back to, you can see that there's a table name called products. And so what this statement is doing is it's saying, show me all of the data that is contained in the table name products. That's exactly what this statement is doing. As you can see in enlarged form, this is selecting everything from the table called products. The from statement can also be found in every single SQL query we'll be writing. This just tells SQL where to pull data from, as you might imagine. Select tells SQL what data to look for. From tells SQL where to find this data. Again, back to our earlier example, this is saying select everything from the products table. So select and from, 2 queries you're going to become very familiar with. You can also select specific columns within certain tables. For example, select customer name from customers is telling the database to return all data in the table customers that falls under the customer name title. And you can see the result. This is every customer name that is present in the customers table. The next part of every SQL query is the where statement. This is a little annoying in terms of terminology, but where tells SQL how to access the right data. Select tells SQL what data to look for, as we showed. From will tell it where or what table to find the data in. And where tells SQL what data it should return. It tells SQL the parameters to use when selecting data. For example, if we combine these 3 terms, we can say select all, so give me everything from the products table where price is greater than $20. What this is doing is it's saying select all information from the products table that meets the conditions where the price is greater than 20. And this is what you get. If you look at the rightmost column, you can see everything in that table is at a price that's more than $20. Here's another example. What do you think this SQL query will return? Select all from the customers table where the country equals Germany. Kind of self-explanatory when you read it out loud, but you can see when we run that query, it will return every customer, again, look at the rightmost column, that lives in Germany.